In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to protect your files and folders from virus using ransomware protection in Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Windows Security and then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now scroll down. Here below you will find ransomware protection. Click on the option Manage Ransomware Protection. Here you will find controlled folder access, protect file, folder and memory area on your device from unauthorized changes by unfriendly applications. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on and then an option will appear, protected folders. Click on protected folders. Here, Windows system folders are added and protected by default. If you wish, you can add any folder. Click on Add a protected folder and I am selecting desktop folder. Select desktop and then click on Select folder. The desktop folder is added as protected folder. You can add folders from any drive. I am adding a folder from a different drive and the folder is added as protected folder. This is the easiest way to protect files and folders from virus using ransomware protection in Windows 11 computer.